Yes, I knew it wasn't gonna be black.
Okay.
You gonna be a good boy at church?
Yeah, and bad boy at home.
Oh, great.
Are you a good girl or a bad girl?
Becca. Fuck off, you fat pig. Daddy,
What is it?
Daddy.
Hallelujah.
That's too loud.
Okay, sorry.
Do it nicely.
Oh, yes.
This is your sister.
Okay.
I don't care.
You just slept for 3 hours? And you just...
Hey, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Can I do it to you?
That's your sister, bud.
She doesn't have any arms.